Hi guys, it's my birthday. Say happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to
Me. Thank you.
Wow, it's your birthday. How old are you? Wow, sweet 16. Are you sweet? Oh my God, public. Hindi, ang kapal na mukha mo. Hot? You feel hot? Ang daming tao. Doon ako sa dulo. Magbe-video ako doon. Dito. Hi, youngsters! Welcome to my vlog. So, tonight, we're going to celebrate Hailey's 16th birthday. She's already... Ay! Ano ba yun? Parang baliw. Tanda na ng asawa ko kasi 16 na si Hailey. Parang kailan lang. Baby pa siya. Ngayon, hindi na. Nakakaasar na siya. Yes. May mga bisita kami from the Philippines. Ayan, kasama ko si Achi. Ang aking mga pinsan, si Leia. And si Cassie. And then, ayaw niya magpasama sa video. Jump na natin. And the birthday girl. Ayan na. Ayan. So, malating na yung mga order namin. Yung soup lang. Ayan, try mo ano. Ate, ano mo yung ano niya, yung itsura niya? You put the ano daw, the jelly. In the soup. Masarap. What's your wish now that you're 16?
My mom will stop embarrassing me and then wish I'm healthy and happy. That's all. Okay.
Sarap mo sapakain. You're really sweet. Daddy, what's your wish for Hailey?
Twelve.
What do you mean 12?
12 boyfriend.
You wish her to have 12 boyfriends. One by one ka dyan. Bad ka. So what's your wish for Hailey? Serious.
Yeah, it's your use.
Daddy wants you to be a playgirl daw.
I need help. So many things. You need to find somebody help me to clean the house.
Wish mo kay...
I wish Hailey will join us on Christmas vacation.
That's also my wish.
It's a wishful thinking.
But Cassie?
Cassie, what's your wish for Ate Hailey?
I wish her to get a good life. Good life.
Do you have a wish for her?
Yes. I wish that she would finish her studies and get a good job or start a new business.
What business?
Monkey business.
Mommy, you want to hear Mommy's wish? No? Bakit? Saman ugali talaga nitong anak ko. But you don't want to hear my wish. Uy.
Can you stop? I'm tired.
Bakit? Anong corny? Corny ng anak ko talaga. Salad pa lang nakakain ko, busog na ako. Wala ba yung main? And this is lemon. Let's try. Asig naman ito. Pero sarap siya.
It's the tea. This is... I forgot. Blech. Look at my lashes. They're fake. Oh, they're so...
Wala pa yung main course. Oh my God. Busog na kami. Si Cassie sa food niyo. Masarap ba Taiwan food, Cassie? You like? Babalik ka pa rito sa Taiwan?
Hindi na nga siya uwi. Kaya dito na siya. Hindi siya babalik dito na.
Ah, you're not going back na to the Philippines?
Chinese na nga yan.
Are you coming back? Do you want to come back? Wow! Oh, next time, care of Tita Chin naman, ano?
Hindi mo tayo bumalik dito.
You embrace Tita Chin? Naku, be good to her. So, the main event, there's the main course. Yeah. Beef with red wine. And si Hailey, yan ang kanyang choice. Busog na sila, guys. Hindi na happy ang kanilang face. May masarap kaya. Ba't mainit yung pinggan? Baka ano lang to, may microwave ano. Ganito lasa. Kakaiba. Pwede na, lasang wine. Basta may wine pasado sa akin. Lagyan natin asin. Okay, so before we end the video, we're gonna sing happy birthday to the one and only si Hailey Colette. Okay, guys, let's sing happy birthday to Hailey. Wait lang naman, para tayo na sa ano. Sige na. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Ayan na, we're not noisy na nga. Ayan, nahihiya siya. Why? It's your birthday. Where is she? So you say thank you to everyone who greeted you. Dali. Oh, thank you to everyone. Dali.
Thank you. Thank you.
To finish your birthday. Yay! Happy birthday! Ba't ganyan ang mga teenagers na nahihiya lang? Why you're shy?
I'm not shy.
Why?
I feel embarrassed.
Feel embarrassed. Nag-ano pa? Photoshoot ang birthday girl. Yan. So, thank you very much, guys. Doon nagtatapos ang ating video. Tapos ang birthday party ni Hailey. Yan. Mayroon siyang mga bisita from the Philippines. So, tomorrow sila naman ang ipapasyal natin. Bye!